Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's analyze the Nifty Bank chart today to find out important key levels for the next week. We'll discuss the key levels. Along with that, we'll discuss some important global market, US indices, commodities, silver, gold, and even USD INR also. So we'll discuss the global market also. So to know the Nifty bank levels and everything about the stock market, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's start first of all from the global market. We'll understand everything from the global market and US indices and everything. Then we'll check the bank nifty chart. So I have opened this table and you can see what happened last week. I went even last Friday in our Indian market. Indian market was falling, means I can say the heavy sell off happened. I just means I yesterday only in Saturday video I have discussed everything about it, and even I have discussed the Nifty IT sector also, and I have given the levels and all reasons also. So please go through that video also, Saturday video, to find out the IT, Nifty IT levels and Nifty 50 levels, everything, reasons. I will give the link in I button. Please check that video also, very important. And today I am discussing the Nifty bank level and the reason behind it, that fall yesterday on Friday. That was especially if I'll say Nifty IT was drastically falling since two weeks. So you can see here what happened on Friday. The Nifty 50 was almost more than 1% down, means around 1.30%. It was down. It has even touched the level of low of 25,400, and the good support was 24,000, oh sorry, 25,500. That I will discuss in I have discussed already in a chart yesterday video, the levels. So ye level was like, actually it has broken that 25,500 was a good support. Or if we see the Sensex was also around more than 1% down. It was also falling, and even the Nifty Bank, the same thing. It was also around 1% down. If we see the US indices, we can see it is totally flat. Nasdaq also, even the S&P 500. Small cap was also actually it is 1% plus 1% up. India VIX is very high, plus 15%. As you can see, the volatility was high on Friday. So you can see this was the reason. Now let's quickly discuss the important commodities also. Let's see once, and you can see gold again reached to the level of 5,000 around. It has touched the 5,600 high. $5,600 का हाई इसने ऑलरेडी टच किया था. दिस इज द ऑल टाइम हाई. Fell from there around 25% and then recovered little bit. Now it is trading around $5,000 around, which is still down, but yes, little bit recovered. So gold is looking very attractive at this level. Or even if you see the silver to 50% already down ho chuka hai. It has touched the high of 121 $122. Now it is trading, you can see, around 79 or 70. If we see the low, 73 around, or even lowest level it has touched in recent time, 64. So 64 के low पर it has reached. The high was $120 and 64 was the low. And this is showing that around almost it is down, it has fallen, it has crashed 50% almost. तो 50% का क्रैश सिल्वर में आ चुका है. If you want to invest in these precious commodities, you can start as a SIPs, not lump sum. You have to put all the money together. You can start sip in even gold, also even silver, as these precious commodity looking attractive at this level. If you want to give some allocation to this commodity gold and silver, 10%, 20% you can uh, divide, and you can start. We see Brent oil is trading around 68, which is still below the 70. It is still at comfortable price, Brent oil. Now if you want to see the, now we will see the currency, what is happening in INR. So you can see INR is trading around 90. Yes, it has recovered little bit from the high of 92. It has recovered also till 90, reached to the level of 90. Now again it is actually weakening, I can say. Yes, strengthened for the last few weeks, but again it started going डाउन. अगेन ये 91 के अराउंड जा रहा है, और हाई क्या है 92. तो स्टिल नाउ INR इज started weakening against dollar. So this is the situation of the USD INR commodity. I have discussed the indices, mm, important indices also. We chart and we'll find out what is happening here. I have drawn two three very very important trend line. You have to understand what these trend line are saying. So first of all, these actually I am drawing this trend line even earlier weeks also, but this trend line and this is actually very recent, because you can see the bank nifty last week. तो ये last week है, but last to last week it was very beautifully taken the support of this trend line. I have drawn this line, trend line, even last video also, which was very important support. And you can see that last week it was taking support at this trend line. One, the very sharp fall happened on, touched the new all-time high when the US India tariff deal happened. That day it has opened gap up, and went up, touched the new all-time high of 61,000 to 61,764 around. Then again taking support of this trend line here only on that day, and from here 1 2 3 continuously was taking support of this trend line very nicely. And then again on Monday this week, gap up opening happened. From here it was taking support, closed here, and very good gap up happened, and opened at this level of 60,800 around, taken resistance on this level, वहीं पे कंसोलिडेट करने लगा. Then the next day, same day, the same thing happened. Third day, fourth day, and fourth day it was continuously was touching this resistance, could not break it, could not sustain above this, and again fallen on Friday. Gap down open हुआ. Okay, यहाँ पे it has opened gap down, touched the level of 60,000, which is very important support. Now it has become a very important support, psychological, I can say. 60,000, 60,000 के around it has touched the support, even closed above this 60,000. And I will not say कि this is the good candle. Yes, looking negative. अगर ये blue line which is support है, if it's breaking this 60,000, which is 60,000, then definitely it is going to touch again this support of this trend line support. It is going to touch again, जो कि पहले भी यहाँ पे how many time, 1 2 3 4 time it has already touched here, three time already taken resistance here, and then again it is going to take support here, which can be, I can say, 59,600 or 50. Yes, 59,600 I can take. So you should watch this trend line only. Okay, you, the 59,600. और अगर ये भी ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक होती है, तो अगेन दिस सपोर्ट इज ऑलरेडी देयर ऑफ दिस ट्रेंड लाइन. दिस कैन बी अराउंड, आई कैन टेक द, आई कैन मेंशन 58,400. यस, 58,400, या इसके ऊपर 58,500 भी हो सकता है. So this trend line you should watch for the next week. This trend line also, and this horizontal line. These 1 2 3 it's very important levels. इसको break कर देता है अगर, if it's breaking this, again it will reach to the all time high of 61,800, I can say roughly 61,800, yes. और नहीं break करता है, it's not breaking this resistance, taking resistance again, then mostly chances is there that next week it will consolidate in this range, within this range of from here to here. This trend line will go on. I will update definitely what happening, if it's breaking it or not, that I will update in next week video. But important thing what I just shared, that the last 2 week this scenario is going on, not looking good. Of course इसको निफ्टी बैंक न्यू ऑल टाइम हाई तो लगा रहा है, बट सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहा है. इट इज़ नॉट गिविंग कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस. सो वी शुड लुक दीज लेवल्स. दिस 60,000 is again becoming a very important support. So I'll share Nifty Bank levels again, but I just discussed everything from global market. Keep close watch on these commodities and US indices, and even USD INR also, and watch the levels I have just mentioned for the Nifty Bank. I'll mention again. Nifty Bank important support 59,600 after breaking 60,000. Resistance 60,800. Breaking 60,800 will take it to all time high of 61,800. And of course अगर इसको break करता है तो you should be ready for 58,400 also for the next support, but that only will be concerned after breaking this. Please watch the Nifty IT sector scenario and Nifty IT level with the Nifty 50 level for Saturday video, and like and share also with your friend, and subscribe the channel for stock market update